date and time. Back with Elevator Man 45.
Hello.
We're in Aritzia at the Fashion Mall Keystone. And we have a Schindler 330A.
Vandal resistant HT buttons. Fairly basic cab.
It's been repainted to
Alright, let's see if we got a motor. Door close does not work. There's your certificate.
re-leveled.
Send it back into 2. Switch sides.
Cab view. There's Andrew.
There's Leo. Kind of small, but nice. You said this used to be Restoration Hardware?
Yeah.
Okay.
And they moved to some warehouse.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you. There's enough mode.
Indicator capacity.